Hello everyone, and today we will be seeing one of the problem from lead code. It says partitioning into minimum number of deci-binary numbers. So deci-binary, this is new term. A decimal number is called deci-binary if each of its digit is either 0 or 1 without any leading zeros. For example, this and this is deci-binary, while this and this are not. So given a string n that represent a positive decimal integer, return the minimum number of positive deci-binary numbers needed so that they sum up to n. And we have provided few examples. N is 32 and they need 3 numbers. 3 numbers are this, this and this. Again, second example is this, so 8 numbers. Next example is this and 9 numbers. And so on. We are expected to solve this problem, and yeah, here we are. So let me just copy the sample inputs quickly in order to understand how we are going to solve this problem. So for number 32, that is 32, we can take 1 1, again 1 1 and 1 0 to be consideration. So both of these ones can go ahead and sum themselves up to 2, and here these ones can sum themselves up to 3. So straightforward, right? And this is where the gist of the problem lies. The entire problem can be dissected over here. So you wanted to understand how many numbers. So here in my case, I've started with this, then the number below, the number below. 3 numbers just for this. Now let's assume a scenario where I don't have this 3, only I have was 2. So only 2 numbers were required. And what if I have a number, let's say 4, In that case, I would need yet another an extra number at 0. That means 0 0 1. Let's not take 0 zeros, let's take 1, and for each I need to have here ones, and that's where 3 to 4 would come into picture. I think you are getting the image clear. The greatest number takes all of the count. So here 3 was the greatest, and here you got 3 count. 4 was the greatest than 4. Likewise, here 8 was the greatest and you got 8, and 9 was the greatest, so you got 9. The entire problem is now redefined to find out the greatest number within the string, and that you can, my friends, pretty well easily find out within O of n algorithm, but I'll do just one liner solution over here for you. So I want n, I want to extract characters from this. These characters would give me an int string. Within that int string I wanted to get max, and max is from the integers, so I'll do get as int, and once I got an int I will minus it with 0 because I don't want ASCII value of it, I just want the normal value of it. So if this gives me out to be as 0, then 0 minus 0 would be 0, and if this gives me out to 9, so 9 minus 0 is 9. So likewise, so let me compile this one to see any compiler errors. Do I have any? Oops, I just don't hope. Okay, cool. Any compilers error do I have? I didn't run, I guess. Let me run this one. No compilers error so far. Let me submit this one. And yeah, it got submitted successfully. Don't worry about time because we have used streams. That is the reason it's behind, but the entire operation cost us O of n time complexity. Even the optimal solution is also iterating through each of the length. So O of n is the maximum time complexity, the best time complexity you can get over here. If you know better solutions, please let me know. And this was a problem from the topics of greedy string. I'm not sure what senior means, but okay. So yeah, this was all about it, and thanks for watching. For more such content, click the video on your right, and I will see you in the next one.